So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video you saw today's title and you might be wondering that why is the title such like don't buy the Redmi Note 8 Pro before watching today's video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving the best advice that I can, and also guys I am planning to buy the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is a very honest thoughts which I'm going to be sharing you, and I'm damn sure that you also are going to be benefited with these thoughts. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all let me include this fact that the Redmi Note 8 Pro rocks the MediaTek G90T processor. Yes guys, it is not having the Snapdragon processor. As many of you know, you have seen bunch of reviews on YouTube and that says that this is a perfect smartphone for the budget, and that is also my opinion. But the thing here, there is only one problem in this smartphone, and that is the thermal issue. This smartphone in winter even gets to solid temperatures. You know, the whole body is made up of Gorilla Glass 5, and let me tell you guys, this gets overheated. This is extremely overheating smartphone. And guys, let me tell you, first of all, this smartphone is first made for the gaming people. Okay, this MediaTek G90T is a processor specially built for the gamers, and this is the best processor. But there is only one drawback with this processor, that there is no, there is a lot of heat given away, and there is a less cooling system towards this processor. And guys, this is the main feature. I want to say, if you are a tight gamer, okay, you want to play PUBG for all time, then definitely guys, let me tell you that this might be a thing. But if you don't want a hot phone, or just your smartphone getting warmer and warmer a lot, guys, in winter, this is the situation. That what might be the situation in the summer of 2020. So guys, I want to say, like, Xiaomi is indeed working behind another version for the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, which is going to be having the Snapdragon 730G processor. Okay, like the G stands for gaming, so this Snapdragon 730 gaming processor is going to be replaced by the MediaTek G90T. So again, let me tell you, if you are you're waiting to buy, like the current stocks are also not available of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, so you're just waiting when the stock arrives. So my personal opinion would be, wait for some time guys, and let the version with the Snapdragon 730G come out, because not only it solves the heating issue, but also you are getting the advantage of the Snapdragon's chipset. So if you have liked today's video, this is the main thing which I want to convey by the means of today's video, that take a pause, just wait for some time, because I would more highly suggest that the Snapdragon 730G is way better than the MediaTek G90T. So if you have liked today's video, as I said, like I personally am trying to buy this smartphone. So this is the honest thoughts, or the best thoughts which I can give you as a consumer. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from smartphone world and Apple ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.